Hello, I'm Katie with WTI, and I want to share my dream TV console from Martin Furniture. This console is everything. It is made of thick, heavy wood, and I love the textured door fronts. Being 80 inches, there's plenty of space to store our hardware, gaming systems, and even board games. I love the rich gray color. The cool tone fits perfectly in the living room. And what I really enjoy is that it is completely doored, so everything is hidden inside, and that means I don't have to tidy any messy cords. It's very heavy duty, so we made sure we knew exactly where we wanted it when we installed it so that we don't have to move it too much. Because it's made of wood, it is easy to dust and keep clean and looking as perfect as when we purchased it. It also has soft closed doors so that they don't slam. So now you know, try it for yourself. And that is my point of view.